Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check in on the Qatar Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then click on the menu icon in the upper right corner at the top. Then you should tap on a check-in in the middle of the screen, and here you should tap on the plus icon at the top, and you can check in either by adding a booking reference number or the e-ticket number. So you have the option to scan in your boarding pass. So tap on the scan button, and you need to allow the app to have access to your camera. Then you can scan your boarding pass or type in the booking reference number, then your last name, and then click on add the trip. You should do the same steps with the e-ticket number option as well, and then you will be able to check in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.